Now let's start building our website. But before we jump into building this website, let me tell you exactly what this project really is. This is not a toy project, and it's definitely not something you make just for fun. This project is designed to train you the way real developers work in the real world. Every line you learn here takes you one step closer to creating actual websites for actual clients. And if you have ever dreamed of earning online, or starting a side hustle, or using web development to change your financial life, then this channel is gonna help you get there. I'm teaching everything in a clear, simple way so you can grow with confidence. The website we are building is a complete single page site, the kind small businesses use every day. And later, we'll take this same website and expand it into multiple pages, just like a professional business site. So let's get started and let's build something real. Hello, friends, welcome back to CodeTech Lab. Today, I'm making a recap video because I want everything to be clear and easy for you. In the previous videos, we already covered these topics, but I know some of you may have missed a step, or maybe things didn't feel smooth because I was still learning how to record and explain at the same time. So, this recap is just a clean and simple version of everything we have done so far, explained again in one place in a better flow. If you're starting fresh or you want a quick revision, this video will really help you. So let's start. First, let me quickly show how to download Visual Studio. Just open your browser and type visualstudio.microsoft.com. On the website, as you can see, a get free download button here. Click it and the download will start. Once the file is downloaded, VS Code will open. That's it. Visual Studio Code is now ready to use. I recommend VS Code because VS Code is better than most code editors because it's light, fast, and free. It doesn't slow down your computer and anyone can download it easily. It also understands almost every programming language, so you can use it for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, anything you want to learn later. The best part is the extensions. You can add small tools inside VS Code to make your work easier, like autocomplete, formatters, color pickers, and live server. These tools save a lot of time. And the interface is very clean and simple. Everything is in front of you, so beginners don't feel confused. You can create files, open folders, and write code without any extra steps. So overall, VS Code is easy to use, beginner-friendly, powerful, and trusted by millions of developers. That's why I prefer it over other editors. Now let's quickly revise how to create your main project files in VS Code. When VS Code is open, look on the left side for the Explorer panel. Click New File here, as you can see. If you want to create your main web page, type index.html. This file will be used for HTML codes, which is a primary structure of your website. Then click again New File and type style.css. This file is for all the design, colors, layout, fonts, and spacing. Later, when we start JavaScript, you can make another file like script.js. This file will be used for adding functions and interactivity. So in simple words, HTML is for structure, CSS is for design, and JavaScript is for actions. VS Code makes it easy to create all these files in one project folder. Now we are looking at the head section of our HTML file. Encoding this whole part is simply called the head section. Its purpose is very simple. This area gives important information about the web page, not what the users see, but what the browser, search engines, and devices need to understand the page properly. So let's start and go through it line by line. We start by typing document type HTML. This line tells the browser that this file is written in HTML5. It's basically a small instruction at the top that says, this is a modern HTML page, please read it correctly. Next, we set the language of our web page to English. HTML language is English. Here we start the main HTML document and we set the language to English. This helps browsers and search engines know what the language the website is written in. Sorry, I made a typo. So here you can see this code is starting the HTML element, and this /HTML closes the HTML head. HTML element. Now let's start the head section of this page. This opens the head section. Everything inside this head area is background information for the web page. So next we write meta character set UTF-8. Close the code. This line tells the browser which type of text and characters we are using. UTF-8 supports almost all languages, so our page can show any text correctly. This line actually tells the browser what kind of text and characters our web page will use. UTF-8 is a very common and modern character set that supports almost every language and symbol in the world. So in simple words, this line makes sure all text, English, numbers, special characters, and even emojis show correctly on all devices. Now the next we are going to set the width of the screen, content width of the screen. Content width should be device width, and initial scale is set to 1. Let me also explain you that meta just means information about the page. It helps the browser understand how to handle the website. So this line makes the website responsive on phones and tablets. It tells the browser to match the page width to the device screen so the website doesn't look zoomed out or broken. So next, we describe the description of our page. Meta description is content greenleaf landscaping, professional lawn care, garden design, and outdoor maintenance. So another typo. So this is the page description. Search engines like Google read this line to understand what our website is about. It also helps the website appear properly in search results. So next we are going to add some keywords. Meta name is keywords and the content of the keywords is landscaping, lawn care, garden design, outdoor maintenance, garden services. As you can see, this line contains keywords related to our website. These words help search engines connect our page with what people are searching for. So next line of code is also very important. Style sheet. And source reference is style.css. So this line connects our HTML file to our CSS file. It tells the browser go and load style.css because all the design, colors, layout, and styling will come from there. And the last line of this head section is green leaf landscaping. This is the line of the web page. Whatever you write here appears on the browser tab at the top. So this closes the head section. Now all the important information for the browser is complete. So that's it for our recap of the head section of the web page. As you noticed, none of the boiler elements we wrote inside the head actually shows up on the web page itself. The only thing that you can visibly see is the page title displayed on the browser tab. Here was the title, and here it appears on the browsers tab. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are learning web development and want clear, simple explanations with real-time practice, make sure to subscribe to CodeTech Lab. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to bring you more beginner-friendly lessons. In the next video, we'll do a recap of the header section and then jump into the actual HTML and CSS code behind it.